truthfully and the parish. Okay na. Seryoso na?
Ano naman, no? Kahit minsan lang.
Did you come here to only inspire yourself forever and the love, service, and husband? Your husband? Did you come here of your own free will to divide yourself forever and the love, service of your life? Yes.
Parang nasimula ako sa church.
Richard and Gladys, since you wish to contract holy matrimony, please join your right hands.
Hoy, right hand daw. Right hand daw. Right hand.
Express your intention before God and His church. Right.
Hawak daw ganun tawag. Patong.
Patay! Pang Facebook na yan!
Ikaw babae,
Oo.
Gladys, do you take Richard, dear present to your local husband according to the right of our Holy Mother in the church?
Brother for what?
Do you give yourself to him as his wife? Do you accept him as your
Si Mara.
local husband?
Wag si Mara. Magagalit. Magagalit yun.
At ikaw naman lalaki, Richard, do you take Gladys, your present for your local wife according to the right of our Holy Mother and Church? Do you give her give yourself to her as her husband? Do you accept her as your local wife?
Pre, isi ka lang, pre. Isi ka lang.
Father, kinakarit ng father.
Pagkasahin ko, susunod ka ng mag-asawa. I give you these caras as a pledge of my dedication to your welfare and the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit.